Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. It's so fresh. Today I will talk about ASUS Prime AP201 TG Mini Tower PC case. So friend, this Mini Tower PC case compatible with MicroATX and Mini-ITX form factor, boasts a unique mesh design on its front, top and right side panels combined with the tempered glass panel on the left side with a volume of 33 liters, and this is offers both high airflow and a appealing configuration, making it an intriguing choice for an PC enthusiast. And friend, the key features are tempered glass panel on the left side, mesh design on front, top and right side panel, and friend, compatibility with micro ATX and mini ATX form factors. ये सब बोलना पड़ेगा।
कि वो इच्छा समझ तो अपन बोल लिया था पूरा।
हाँ वही तो।
यहाँ से बोल कूलिंग इज एक्सपेंशन।
And trend, the cooling and expansion include standard 120 mm rear cooling fan, top support 120 mm into 3 or 140 mm into 2 cooling fans, compatibility with up to 360 mm water cooling radiator on the top, compatibility with 120 mm water cooling radiator at the rear. Drive bays are 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch set bay into 3 and 2.5 inch bay into 1. For expansion slot, graphics card compatibility up to 338 mm. CPU cooler compatibility, total height of 170 mm, power supply unit compatibility, depth of 140 to 180 mm, and front IO include USB 3.2 Gen 1 into 2, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C into 1, and audio input and output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.